Hello to all my beautiful people. Thank you for coming to my channel, watching this video. If you have not yet, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that way you stay ahead of the game with all the beautiful content that I have for all of you. Today's video, we are going to unbox the Capital One Venture Card, a premium credit card that is going to help all of you in a great way with travel. If you need a premium credit card, I've had premium credit cards before. I've had the American Express Platinum, and I've also had the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. However, I had to downgrade those because in that period of time where I was getting married, all this stuff, I had to cut down a little bit on the travel just so I can be able to honeymoon and all this stuff. For those of you that follow my videos, you know the great trips that we have taken. However, now it's time to go back into that travel mode and have those premium benefits. So this time I felt that it was the best bang for my buck. I'm going with the Capital One Venture X, and we're gonna do the unboxing, so here we go. All right, so I've already opened the envelope, well, the little box it comes with from FedEx. It comes in an envelope. And guess what? I was already filming this when I realized that my microphone sound was off. So unfortunately, you won't get the amazing satisfaction of me just going like this, right? But I have not taken anything out. Promise to God, I have not. So here we go. First look at the contents. And let's see, it says my name, my address, and boom. Hello, let me cover this. And there are my Capital One Venture X cards. 2 of them. Why? Because my wife gets one too. That's the perks of marrying me. Now, let me take one of these out. I want to see which one is mine. Is this one mine? Yes, it is. And is this one hers? Let me see if it has her name on it, and yes it does. Wow, look at that. And first thing is first, this card is pretty heavy. It is pretty heavy. It's kind of like it's like a dark blue color. So there you go. There you go. Venture X. Has like a kind of like a light blue color. It is pretty heavy. I think it is a tad bit heavier than my Chase Sapphire card. We have Sapphire Preferred right now. We have Sapphire Preferred, so it is like that metal type of card, and it's actually wonderful. So that's the first thing that comes in the envelope. Now let's see what else it has. So obviously we have to activate it. Haven't done that yet. My wife and I will do the same. You get your rewards program terms and conditions. Usually people don't really read this, but it is important for you to. So talks about your redemption terms and conditions, cover your previous travel purchases, new travel reservations, cash redemptions, all that good stuff. So for those of you that are interested, there you go, you get that. Your Capital One personal information, what do they do with it? So I guess it's like a general page. All right, here is the nitty-gritty guide to card benefits. So I think this is important to keep. Visa Infinite Concierge, Auto Rental Collision Damage Waiver, Travel Emergency Assistance Services, Trip Cancellation and Interruption, Trip Delay Reimbursement. What is this? $1 million worldwide automatic common carrier travel accident insurance, loss luggage reimbursement. So it has a lot of benefits. Cellular telephone protection. So that's obviously really good as well. But this is what most people like to see, right? They like to see the colorful booklet with benefits. So let's read some of those out to you. Okay, VentureX, get the most out of your travel with unlimited rewards and premium benefits, right? And here are some of them. You get 10x miles on hotels and rental cars when you book through Capital One Travel. So that is a big, big benefit. You know, I kept applying for this card before and I got declined like 4 times for it. And it's not that I have bad credit, I have really good credit, but I just kept getting declined. I have no idea why. But then when I decided to just apply with my name and not put my wife's name, not saying that she was a bad luck, but it finally got approved. So I don't know, maybe it was because of that. So if you're thinking about putting an authorized user on the card, maybe you just want to do it yourself, you know you have good credit, put the application yourself, and then afterwards then add an authorized user. They're not going to decline it afterwards. So that's what happened and they'll let it slide. Let's see, 5x miles on flights when you book through the Capital One Travel. So you're getting a lot of multipliers there. Kind of wish I put my trip to Greece on this card to take advantage of those points, but it is what it is. 2 miles on all other purchases. That is really, really good because cards like Chase Sapphire Reserve and the Amex Platinum, they only give you 1 point. So you get 2 miles, which is essentially the same thing as points, pretty much. You also get $300 annual travel credit, just like the Chase Sapphire Reserve, whenever you book travel. So that's really good. And 10,000 miles anniversary bonus. You receive 10,000 bonus miles equal to $100 towards travel each year after you renew your account. Important to note though, the redemption is like 0.5 cents per mile if you get for cash. So 10,000 miles would be for travel 100, but if you want to cash, it's only $50. So you kind of need to travel to have this card. It would make the most sense to travel. Mind you, this does have a $395 annual fee, but with the $300 annual travel credit, you kind of bring that down to $95. And if you use a 10,000 miles anniversary bonus for travel, then essentially they're paying you $5 to keep the card. So it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. As long as you travel once every year, you're gonna be just fine. You get $100 credit towards TSA PreCheck and Global Entry. Great to have on the card, but I don't really need it. I already have that due to other cards, but it's gonna expire soon, so it's good that I have this card now so I can renew that. Flexible miles redemption. So they don't have that many like cool travel partners, like unless you want to go like to Colombia or you want to go to China or something. They really need to put like a major airline. So they have to come up with that because they don't have any major airlines as a travel partner yet. So if they put United on there, which is Chase's, that wouldn't benefit me that much because I do live in New Jersey, so Newark is a hub for United. Or JetBlue, man. If you put JetBlue on this card, you know how many people are going to run and apply for this? Because that's really good. You know, JetBlue is an awesome airline. You know, American Airlines, that would be awesome, but Citibank has that one. And Delta, American Express has Delta. So, you know, pretty much all the airlines are pretty much partnering with these major banks. So Capital One, you gotta step it up. All right, give us Southwest or something, you know, Southwest, JetBlue, whatever you can, all right, to make it a little sweeter. You get also, you can also go to the lounges, airport lounge access, escape the airport crowd and recharge before your flight with unlimited access to modern airport lounges across the globe, including the state-of-the-art Capital One lounges. So pretty cool, pretty informative. I really got the card because of the travel protections, travel benefits, lounges, all that kind of stuff. So if you are about travel, this is the card to get. It really is. I feel like Chase has really gone up even though the redemptions are really good and the points are worth a lot, that $550 annual fee, and then to add an authorized user, you have to pay $75 additional. Like for me, I don't think that really makes sense to pay $600, $700 when you can get this card. They pay you as long as you travel. They're basically paying you to keep the card. So I don't see what the point is of doing that, getting Chase Sapphire Reserve card at this point in time. Great, they have great benefits, but Capital One is stepping it up. So if you're really looking for a travel credit card, this is really it. Also, we have 75,000 points if we spend $4,000 the first 3 months. That's gonna go by easily. I'm gonna put my rent on the card. Even if I get charged like $45 to use a card to pay the rent. With the redemption of the 75,000 points with that bonus, it just makes all the sense to still do it anyways. So it is what it is. Let me know if you are going to get this card, if you're gonna apply for this card. And it's an alternative to Chase. It's an alternative to American Express, which to me, American Express is really for like people that are making like $200,000, $300,000 a year. It's the only way you can justify the benefits they give you and the things that they promise you, which don't really help too much the average American, the average person that's just trying to make it, trying to have a good vacation without paying all these ridiculous annual fees. I can't justify the annual fee with American Express in my situation. Maybe you can with yours, but I can't. So Capital One Venture X card is awesome. So like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and follow us for more. Thank you so much. God bless you all.